विका इंडियाने 12 फेब्रुवारी 2025 रोजी त्यांच्या पुण्यातील प्लांटमध्ये एक इन हाऊस पत्रकार परिषद आयोजित केली होती, ज्यामध्ये आघाडीच्या मीडिया हाऊसेसचे प्रतिष्ठित प्रतिनिधी उपस्थित होते. हा कार्यक्रम विका ग्रुपच्या वाढीच्या प्रवासावर, विका इंडियाच्या सततच्या प्रगतीवर आणि भारतातील बाजारपेठेतील भविष्यातील योजनांवर चर्चा करण्यासाठी एक महत्त्वाचे व्यासपीठ ठरले. या काळात कंपनीने गुंतवणूक योजना, नवीन उत्पादन लॉन्च, शाश्वता उपक्रम आणि नवीन बाजार विभागांवर लक्ष केंद्रित करणे यांसारख्या महत्त्वाच्या घोषणा केल्या आहेत. पत्रकार परिषदेदरम्यान विका इंडियाच्या वरिष्ठ अधिकाऱ्यांनी माध्यमांशी खुली चर्चा केली. या प्रसंगी विका इंडियाचे वरिष्ठ उपाध्यक्ष श्री गौरव बावा, सहाय्यक उपाध्यक्ष श्री हेमंत सरनोत, विक्री प्रमुख श्री विक्रमजीत धिंगरा आणि विका ग्रुपचे न्यूक्लियर बिझनेस डायरेक्टर श्री व्हिक्टर ओल्डनबर्गर उपस्थित होते.
I would like to thank you all, for this interaction today. It's been great to have this interaction. What I briefed today was mainly about how Vika is invested into the country, what are our growth plans, how we are looking at technology and investing in technology into the country. So there are certain focus markets for India today, as we just discussed with you. All that we are focusing on power distribution, on generation. You heard in the budget some talk about nuclear, so we are working on that and products and solutions for that. The other piece is that we are also investing into food and pharma and other markets which are very, very clearly on the mega trend for India, as you see. So we have 4 plants in operations, doing significantly well. Last couple of years, we have clocked more than 20-25% growth. Year on year, we are consistent with that, and we can continue to invest in the country on that. We also discussed about, Vika is a responsible corporate citizen, and like we talked about, it's interesting to see how we are also, apart from business, focusing on sustainability and our CSR activities. So you know that we do CSR in 2 major things. What we decided, one is on education, other is on sustainability. These are the prime pillars of CSR where ICA is investing. We have done a lot on education, especially of girl children in India. We have added classrooms, given tablets, we've opened computer rooms for them, and parallelly we have also given solar installations for these schools in particular. Having said that, we've done a lot of solar and other installations. We are running our operations today at 54% of solar also in India, all the 4 operations. So we continue to work on sustainability ourselves. We've also received a lot of awards in India for sustainability and even on HR practices. So I think it's been a great and rewarding journey in the last couple of years, and we would like to continue that journey of growth, profitable growth in India, and supporting and working with our customers. Thank you.